Hi, I'm Dr. Ogi, and thank you for visiting my website. I hope you're enjoying the short videos that I have on practice. And they're done with a different perspective in mind. They're not done with the idea of you marketing your brains out. They're done with the idea of you being an amazing doctor for your patients, and that is the key. So I want to talk to you about, speaking of your patients, I want to talk to you about an issue which also is a problem with most practices that I visit and I talk with. And here's the thing that I want to mention to you, and that is, why is it that all doctors that I talk to are obsessed with new patients? I mean, as a profession, we are absolutely crazy nuts about it, see? And I want you just to think about this for a moment. In this quest for new patients, whatever happened to the ones that we had last week, or the ones that we had yesterday, or the ones that we had the week before or a month before? What happened to these people? See? Most offices, most doctors I talk to don't pay any attention to the ones that have now become your regular patients. They've gone through the christening of being a new patient. Now they've had the report of findings, and now they are your regular patients. And all of a sudden their importance seems to diminish. And it's a phenomenon that I've seen in almost every single office without exception, see? We have this hunt for new patients. We build this better mousetrap, and we capture these elusive and evasive people, and once they're captured, they're mine, see? And now the focus tends to change for the new ones that are coming in our directions, and we literally tend to forget the ones that have been in our office, see? Some of these patients have been in our office for 5, 10 years, and I've got to tell you, most of these people have no idea why they're visiting you. It's become a ritual, which is not a bad thing, at all. But if you ask them, well, why are you here? I don't know, they won't know how to answer. See? Well, the doctor makes me feel good, but it's this wellness thing, but they really don't get it, see? And many offices that are obsessed with new patients clamor for more. And the reason is because the regular patients that they're seeing tend to leave in droves, because the focus is no longer on them. And in this video, I want you to consider shifting your focus away from the new patients. Okay, I know it's hard to do. But shift your focus away from new patients and shift your focus back to the regular patients that you are actually serving and helping, see? And if those regular patients become really spizzed and excited and totally amazed by you again, see, like they were the first time they met you, that is an amazing source of referrals. They will refer to you like crazy, see? Now, you know my words are true because everybody said this, and this is like a mantra in our profession. Everyone knows this, but very few actually do something about it. Make sure that every visit that you have with your regular patients is meaningful to them. At the end of each visit, they should be spizzed, excited beyond all reason. They should go to their friends and have coffee with their buddies and have wine with them and so on, and say, you know, I went to see Dr. Jones and he was absolutely amazing. I mean, I don't know how he does it, but he knows everything about me. I never have to say anything to him. He knows everything that I'm suffering with, see? And this individual is incredibly excited about that doctor, and that is what you need, see? You need your patients to be absolutely flabbergasted by your expertise, by your warmth, by your humanity, by your mannerism, by your competence, by your skill, by your knowledge. See? That is the practice of your dreams. Because when that happens, you no longer need to worry about your patients. They will be seeing you in droves. You will need a stick and armed guards in front of the door to protect you from the onslaught, and you will need a fire-breathing dragon in the moat in front of your office protecting your life. Because people will break down the walls to get at you. You are so amazing. And that is the whole idea. So, listen to or watch my other videos. I mentioned my Practice Health Menu Checkup. Please do that. You will find it will really help you. We'll have a wonderful chat on the phone, and I will give you a game plan and some action steps to take, and some wonderful suggestions. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.